Megan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And together we are Melly Magic. Alright, so today we are showing you how to make slime, and the ingredients are glue. We're using Elmer's school glue.
Wait, actually,
Keep on talking. She's gonna go get a special ingredient. So you're gonna need Elmer's glue. You're gonna need some laundry detergent. I prefer Tide or Gain. And you're gonna need, we already made some in this bowl, but you're gonna need a bowl, and you're gonna need something to mix with. And let me think. Yeah, and what's our special ingredient?
if you want puffy slime,
Like fluffy slime?
add some shaving cream.
Alright,
And this is actually,
what the slime will turn out to be.
and it's actually very, very fluffy.
Yeah. Alright,
So first, you're gonna want to take your glue. I'm just gonna.
here, I'll get through this.
Okay, so then you're gonna want to pour as much as you want. And I'll put a little bit more in there.
Alright, so that's and then you're gonna put some. Do you want to put the shaving cream?
Yep, wait, I'm closing it. Okay, so then you're gonna want to put some
Some
shaving cream in there.
Yep, some shaving
And it depends of how much you want.
Alright, that's good. And then you want to put in some
You
of
actually want to mix it a little
Oh
bit.
yeah. And then that's
And you can
good.
actually start to tell that it's fluffy. So go ahead and pour
So then you want to put in just
liquid detergent.
a little bit at a time.
And then you should start to see that it forms, but that doesn't mean it's ready yet.
No, because this is how you know it's ready, when it doesn't not stick to the glue.
Yes.
I'm sorry for the lighting, guys. It's like, I don't know if that's better.
So I'm still mixing it.
Pretty good.
And it does turn blue. And if you want, you can add some food coloring.
But I don't think we're going to.
We may like after the process, but you can put it in before the process and after the process. It doesn't really matter.
Alright,
So,
so do you want to hold it now? Because I don't know. Oh yeah, just put it there. So then when your slime does not stick to the bowl anymore, you want to make sure it's then you want to get the
start
slime
kneading it.
and start kneading the slime. That sounds so wrong. Like that joke my brother always makes. It's so. This is like ripping apart. But eventually it will start.
It starts to dry.
Yeah.
Ish.
Actually, this isn't drying, but it will start to dry. Like it's starting to dry.
Yeah, and if you guys want to see what mine looks like, so
That's what she already made.
yeah, it is very fluffy.
It starts to dry up, and as you can see, it's pretty dry. See?
Yeah.
There. See, it's pretty dry.
Then you just
So-
want to keep on kneading it.
Yep. Eventually, it will turn out like.
We're filming this on an iPhone, so
It's not like we're professionals. If
okay.
you guys are watching this video and we are professionals, then we are.
Whoa, it doesn't even look. It's not sticking to my hand.
Like, look at my hands after I just kneaded it. It only has one tiny piece right there.
This is a lot. I think because we added the more shaving cream you use, less sticky it gets.
Can I feel it?
Look, it's not even sticking to my hand.
It's so nice and like.
You know
It
what?
gives it already a little bit of a color.
I'm adding some to mine.
It's like a very light blue. It gets very nice and like.
Okay, I'm adding.
That's her. I have mine inside right now.
Yes, which actually, my mom bought it, the glue for us.
She let me have some.
Yes, I let her have some. She did have glue, but then it kind of escaped the container she had it in, and then it leaked all over the place. Right? Yep. That basically tells the whole story. So
We're also waiting for our mesh balls to come.
We don't know if it will come today because today's Saturday. And
Yep. It's hot out. I don't know why I'm wearing this.
you told me that you didn't like your shirt, so.
And I don't like the shirt that much.
Oh my gosh, it doesn't. Ew. Oh, feel mine now. Feel mine. Mine is like really soft.
Hers is like, yes.
I'm adding like the extras onto this one.
Like, look, guys, it's still nothing on my hands.
Yeah. I just have shaving cream on my hands. That's it. Okay. So now I'm just gonna like keep on like kneading it in. So it turns out the more shaving cream you put in, the less sticky it gets because it's not like it's not even.
Look at this. Here, I'm gonna play around with it.
Here, let's add it to this.
And look, nothing on my hands.
Yes. So we hope you enjoyed this video because this video was fun to make, and it's also fun to make slime.
Yeah.
And you can find Elmer's glue like almost anywhere.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. If it's like school time when you guys watch this, you'll definitely be able to find it at like Walmart or like.
Yeah, she got it really cheap at Walmart. She got it for $1.50, but if you go to the dollar store, of course it's $1. So. Whoa. It's actually really soft. That's what it is. I wonder if it bounces. That'd be so weird.
I wouldn't try, just in case it like. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was like useful.
Yes.
Because it was easy to make, and look at how good this stuff is. It's awesome.
Okay, guys. Also, we have a shout out to this really cool slime Instagram account. It's called squishielemon. Yeah, squishielemon.
Yep, and they have an awesome Instagram account.
Yeah, they only have one video, but they actually just got started, and they are so cool.
Because they're actually our friends.
But we're not telling to anything. Okay.
They're so weird.
Here's a little bit.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was useful.